Namaste, I am Amolika G, cadet number KL20SWA 102275 of 2K Battalion NCC, University College, Trivandrum. Onam is the annual harvest festival celebrated in Kerala. This official festival of Kerala includes a spectrum of cultural events. It is celebrated in the month of Chingam according to the Malayalam calendar, and according to the Georgian calendar, it is from the month of August to September. Onam is celebrated to honor the demon king Mahabali, who is believed to return to his land from Padala once in a year to visit his people. As a part of welcoming him, people of Kerala decorate their courtyards with pookalams, also known as flower beds. Mostly, people make pookalam for 10 days, that is, from the Attam Nakshatra to Tiruvonam Nakshatra. Making a pookalam has its own rules and traditions. People of Kerala, mainly children, wake up early in the morning and collect different varieties of flowers to make different beautiful creations of pookalams in their courtyard. Cleaning the yard and purifying it with cow dung water is the first and foremost step. Tumbapoovu, known as Leucas aspera, is known to have several medicinal values and is a main ingredient in Ayurveda and can cure several diseases, but nowadays it is rare to find. Mukkutti or Biophytum sensitivum is also a medicinal plant. Tulasi, different varieties of hibiscus, Techipoovu, also known as West Indian jasmine, Mandaram, pagoda flower or Krishna Kiridam, Shankhupushpa, and several other traditional flowers are used. Day 1 of making pookalam. We place tulasi at the center and around it a round of white flowers, mainly tumbapoovu. Day 2, in addition to tulsi, we also use mukkutti at the center and a round of white flowers. The next day morning, we remove the old flowers. It is from the third day, that is from the Choti Nakshatra, we include red flowers in the pookalam. Mainly, we use Techipoovu or hibiscus. In some places, from the 5th day onwards, we use a special structure called pookoda in between the pookalam. Yellow bell or golden trumpet and hibiscus are arranged on an irkil, a stick running through a small and narrow leaf of a coconut leaf, and attaches it to a small piece of banana stem and placed at the center. As days passes, the number of rounds in pookalam also increases and the pookoda also become larger. And different colors of flowers also get included in the pookalam. Vishakham Nakshatra, Aniram Nakshatra, Triketa, Moolam Nakshatra. On the 8th day, Pooradam Nakshatra, also called as Kaka Pooradam, we include blue or violet shaded flowers. In some part of Kerala, the most beautiful and the biggest pookalam is visible on the 9th day, that is the Uttradam Nakshatra. This is because usually on the last day, the Tiruvonam Nakshatra, we don't make any pookalam. Instead, we worship a pyramidal structure made up of wood or clay known as Thrikkakkarayappan or Tiruvonatappan. This tradition is mostly followed in the central and southern Kerala. a very few people follow these traditions, and most of the people make Pookalam only on the Thiruvonam Nakshatra. Due to the unavailability of these traditional flowers, people usually buy flowers from the market, and even we use color powders instead of flowers to make Pookalams. Thank you. Jai Hind.